Welcome to JH. In this tutorial, I'm going to demonstrate how to blur images using DaVinci Resolve. I will walk you through blurring the entire frame and then show you how to isolate and track a face so the blur stays perfectly in place. This entire process takes just a moment. Start by navigating to the Effects panel and opening the side toolbar. Look under Open FX and Resolve Effects for the box blur option. Simply drag and drop this onto your video clip. You will see the image blur immediately. You can further refine this by going to the Effects tab to increase or decrease the horizontal and vertical strength until it looks exactly how you want. To track and blur just the face, first delete the current effect by hitting the Delete button. Switch over to the Color tab and place your playhead at the very start of the clip. Select the circular mask tool and move it to fit the subject's face. Adjust the size and increase the feathering so the edges look natural. Now go to the tracker window and hit the play button. DaVinci Resolve will now track the face accurately through 3D space. To apply the actual blur to this mask, go to the Blur tab and slide the radius upward. When you play the sequence back, you'll see the face is now fully blurred and tracked. If this guide helped you, please consider subscribing and liking the video. I'll see you in the next tutorial.